Hello friends, this is Tanvi Dhyani and this is my YouTube channel. So today I am going to launch free training classes of digital marketing for those who are interested in digital marketing and also want to learn how to promote your business online via digital marketing. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. I have 5 years of experience in the same field, and secondly, I curious about to learn new things in my life. So in this pandemic, I thought I have to teach those digital marketing course to those persons who are interested in the same field and also who are not able to getting complete information from Google or from other media. So this is my first initiative in this. Okay, let's start today. This is my first lecture, and after 2 or 3 lectures you will actually know about what is digital marketing and how you work in this. Secondly, let's dive in. This is table of content. In this, first is what is digital marketing, second thing is benefits of digital marketing, third one is aspects of digital marketing, fourth one is 3 components and digital marketing and business growth, and digital marketing for your small business. So here is digital marketing as you all shown in video. Digital marketing is a marketing of goods and services, like whatever you have in service form, whatever you have product, you just sell it on digital technologies, via digital technologies like internet. It is the biggest example in this term. Digital marketing also includes marketing services and products using display advertising, mobile phones and other digital media. Okay, if we are talking about the 90s era, where traditional marketing was that time, like if you have a product, then you definitely go with the traditional marketing like newspaper, magazines, you promote your products on TV ads, radios, flyers. But in today's era, these are worthless. There is no need of this, because we all know about digital marketing is very foremost thing for a business or for a person who have small business and entrepreneurs as well, and for knowledge also. It will give you a perfect knowledge about Google, how to promote your product and how to sell your product online, because your customers are online, your competitors are online, and you are also online. The thing is, you should know your target audience, you should know how your customers come to you. You just make the things that your customers come to you. Okay, benefits of digital marketing. Okay, now we are talking about benefits. So first thing is that direct communication path between your business and your customer. It is like a direct communication, not indirect, because everyone is online. Everybody know about what are online, what are the products online, how to sell online. And today I am here to tell you about your products, to how to sell online via digital marketing. Second one is increase your brand awareness and reach your target customer. Let's take an example. If you have a toy shop, so your what are your target customers? Toddlers, infants. These are your target customers. But the children at the age after above the age of 10 years, that not your targeted customers. So it is very foremost thing, your target audience, that will increase your brand awareness. Third one is better ROI. Digital marketing provide better ROI and can save you a lot of money. Yeah, everything is online, so this will help you to save your money also. Fourth one is you can ensure that right customer are viewing your content. Yeah, content is the foremost thing, because if you explain the right content, right and authentic content to your viewers, your visitors, your customers, so then he or she can easily get what exactly they want, because your authenticity is the first priority according to them. If you explain your product easily and in an authentic way, then this will help necessary to call to action. This is your lead. Fifth one is enables real-time customer services, enabling you to prepare your own audience to trustworthy fan. Trustworthiness is the foremost thing also, because if you, through online marketing, if you create trust to your customers, then this will help you for your brand promotion. Next one is it provides significant measurement and analysis of consumer behavior and engagement. Significant measurement and analysis of consumer behavior. What type of behavior consumer has? I mean, what they want, what exactly his services to get from you, and engagement. Next one is prepares you for Internet of Things. Yeah, Internet of Things is like a new era, because everything is on internet. Now next is aspects of digital marketing. These are, first of all, is search engine optimization. As we all know, and some of you are not known about search engine optimization, it is the one of the foremost necessary thing for digital marketing. This is the first step in digital marketing, search engine optimization. When you have a product or when you have a website, then you are definitely be dependent on SEO to promote on Google SERP, search engine result pages. Next one is content marketing. Yeah, content marketing is a rich, authentic data or content that acts as a defining factor in making decisions over the call to action. If you provide right content to the right customer, then definitely it will help him to take sufficient call to action according to purchase or buy from your website. Next one is social media marketing. Yeah, everybody know about social media. You all have using definitely a single social media. Social media is like a thing in which you promote your products globally. Let's talk about some social media. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram. These are some social media, like a players of social media, through which you can market your products or services. Next one is pay-per-click and Google AdWords. Yeah, pay-per-click. This is like a digital marketer used to bid on the target keywords effectively so that their ads are shown on SERP. These are like paid ads. If a person likes your product, then definitely go with your link, and just after this clicking, you will definitely get a conversion. Next one is affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing is like a performance-oriented marketing approach. It can promote your brand and services very commonly. Like you can explain if you have a particular brand and a person or a visitor is going through your website or just a link, and then after clicking that link he or she must be go with merchant website or redirect with in merchant website, then you will get a commission for this. This is called affiliated marketing. Next one is email marketing. Email marketing is a new approach in which you can create brand awareness and trust into your new and existing customers. This will help in new targeted customers and increase brand awareness to new and existing one. This is like a cross selling of your products. If you have a single product and you send to mass mailing through a medium, through a software, then after submitted this to a proper in EDM format, then the already existing customers is like to buy or purchase new thing from your site and from your organization. Next one is 3 components of digital marketing. First one is lead generation, lead capture, and lead nurturing. What is lead generation? Lead generation is like a part how to generate leads for your business. If you have a small or medium business, then you definitely get a customer, then you definitely get target audience through which you can generate leads. Leads are like if you sell a thing, then a person is purchased, then this is your lead generation. If you sell your product online and a person who are willing to buy this thing from your website, then this is your lead. And lead generation covers 3 areas like SEO, SMO, and SEM, through which you can generate leads. Next one is lead capture. Lead capture is like how to capture your leads. Lead capture via you can say like that, lead is via website, landing page. Website, landing page, through which you can capture your lead, or some other medium like emails. Third one is lead nurturing. Lead nurturing stands for nurturing, to complete and call to action of particular leads, whatever you've done in digital marketing. Next one is digital marketing and business growth. How your business is being growth via digital marketing. First of all, wider reach and geographical expansion, through which wider reach. What does it wider reach means? Reach widerly, not a particular geographical region, rather than various areas. Second one is building a brand name. Building a brand name, you can build a brand name. Third one is cost effective. It should be cost effective. You no need to add or some sufficient or more amount for this. Next one is better revenues, through which you can get better revenues. Last one is it will improve your ROI. Okay. Next, digital marketing is for small business. Digital marketing is also helpful for small business. First one is ability to interact with your prospectus, learn exactly what they are looking for. Like if you are a small business and your customer is willing to buy from your products, then you should know about what exactly they are looking for, what he want. Next one is ability to reach a global market. If you are a small business and you start your digital marketing, then you will definitely reach to global market as well, because with small things you definitely get some new or some global reach. If you are promote your business in a particular area, then you will definitely, after doing digital marketing, after doing promotion, you will reach towards global marketplace. Next one is you can save money and reach more customers. As usual, if you promote your business online, this will help you. This is cost effective and also reach more target, because everybody is on internet today. Get to know your audience and allow them to know you personally, which can help to create brand loyalty. Yeah, loyal brand is the foremost thing. Get to know your audience and allow them. You should know what your audience want. If your audience wants something that you have in your solutions and services, and then you definitely go with that. You can track responses to your marketing efforts immediately. After you making so many marketing efforts, then you can track your responses. What your call to action, how many leads you generate, how many conversions you have. Then this will definitely help for a small business. This is me, and thank you for being with me since 5 or 6 minutes. I am a digital marketing. This is my website, and for questions and query you can write comment in comment box, and for any inquiry you can contact me in connect@tanvidhyani.com. Thanks. At last, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that for my next video I'm going to explain about SEO and some other things, so you can easily get. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.